don't forget to like and subscribe. Also turn on the notifications so you get notified every time that we upload. What you will need is a bowl, PVA glue, borax, hot or warm water, and a measuring jug. So you don't need to put the glue into the measuring jug. Okay, I forgot to record this part. For the borax and water solution, all you need to do is put hot water into a jug and just add 2 to 3 or 3 to 4 teaspoons of borax into it, and you mix it together. And you probably should do this before you start putting the glue and stuff into the bowl, because then the borax can really dissolve into the water. So as you can see, I was adding teaspoons of borax solution into my glue. That's why it's like that type of texture. And also make sure that you don't leave your slime out, or otherwise it will dry up because it's got glue into it. So make sure that you put it into an airtight container and keep it nice and safe. If your slime does go really sticky over time, then you can just add more borax and water, like it said in my video of how to make it less sticky. So I'm going to speed this up. So I'm just kneading it and playing with it. So I'll speed it up until the next bit. Okay, so if your slime is not stretchy or anything, you can find this around your house. You can grab some moisturizer or some lotion and you can add that in. Mine was not stretching at all, it was not stretchy, so I added quite a bit. You might not be able to see the moisturizer in there because the moisturizer was white, the slime was white. So yeah, sorry about that. But I made my slime white because I personally like to add the color later, because I was making slime for other people and they wanted different colors. So that's why I made mine white. But when you add your glue into the bowl, right after you add the glue, you can put your food coloring or your paint into it, and you can just mix that up and to get the color that you want. So yeah. By the way, sorry for all the background noises. That's my brother. So just forget about that background noise. But anyway, now it's been, I think, maybe 5-10 minutes because I had to do some other stuff and I just put the slime aside for a couple of minutes. But it took a while to get to this consistency because mine was not stretching like you could see before. So I had to add a lot of moisturizer into it. So if you do that, it will come nice and stretchy and will look really nice. And with the power of editing, I'm going to make it fast in 3, 2, 1. I added paint because I personally like paint the best, because when I add paint, it doesn't it doesn't stain my hands. So it might put paint onto your hands when you're mixing it in, but when it's all mixed in, it won't stain your hands.